Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thiago and today I bring you a video that is backed by popular demand. Now I have to say one thing, if this video doesn't get more than 100 likes, I actually don't know what I'm going to do. I'll probably lose my mind, I'll get a little upset, but I will get over it. So just make sure that you guys hit the like button because today I'm going to talk about and show you guys how to transfer from Robinhood to Charles Schwab. So if you guys are excited, make sure you stick around to the end of the video so that you can see how the whole process works. Now, before I jump on my computer and show you guys and walk you guys through the whole process, I want to go over a couple of things. Now, Robinhood has been getting some much needed heat. Let me know if you guys, well, first off, you guys probably know what I'm talking about, but if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to talk about this subject. Even me, that I don't get really frustrated, I'm pretty frustrated about what has gone on. But this wasn't the reason why I switched over to Charles Schwab. I actually switched over a while back, and if you guys want to know the reason, I'll drop a card up above. Just make sure you click on the video and watch and learn about the reason that I really switched over to Charles Schwab. Now, when you guys start the transfer process from Robinhood to Charles Schwab, the first thing you'll run into is a slap in the face from aka Kylo Ren. Yes, the guy from Star Wars. Basically whip out a lightsaber and slap you in the face with a $75 transfer fee. Now, don't worry though, because there is a way around this transfer fee. So, because you're switching over to Charles Schwab, a lot of people, what they do is they'll call Charles Schwab, their customer service, and ask them for a reimbursement. And most of the times they'll do it. They've done it for me. So I highly recommend, just doing that because, 99% chance that they will reimburse you. Also, option traders, be cautious. Make sure that you close out all your option trades before you switched over to Charles Schwab. Also, if you guys are trading cryptocurrencies, make sure that you liquidate your cryptocurrencies into an actual dollar and transfer it over. That way you have everything in one place when you're ready to transfer over. Now, the good thing about transferring from Robinhood to Charles Schwab is that you will be able to keep the same cost basis, the same value of the stocks that you bought in Robinhood. The good thing is that when you're using Charles Schwab later down the line and you want to sell your stocks, you'll be able to keep the same realized gains as if you were to do that in Robinhood at the same time. Now, the first thing you will want to do before transferring accounts is make sure that you guys go ahead and open yourselves up a Charles Schwab brokerage account. If you guys haven't done that yet, I've put a link down below that you guys can click on, open a Charles Schwab brokerage account, and you'll have the chance to earn up to $500 of free money depending on the amount that you deposit into that Charles Schwab account. You will also need your Robinhood account number. So if you want to get this, make sure you go into the app, you hit your profile icon, go all the way down to settings, go into your account information, and your account number will show up under your name. Now, let's get into the fun part. Let's jump into my computer so that I can better explain how to transfer your account over from Robinhood. So as you see here, I've logged into Charles Schwab. This is a dummy account I just opened up for demonstration purposes only. So the first thing we want to do is let's go all the way up to products. We want to go down here to transfers and payments. Once you clicked on here, you'll find yourself in this page. Let's scroll all the way down to accounts transfer. Now, one thing you want to know before you go forward is that it's going to take you about 5 to 16 business days to transfer over your account. So, if you guys are in a hurry, just make sure that you know that there is going to be some time before everything goes through. So let's click here. Now we'll be on this page here, the transfer account page. So one thing that they'll want us to tell them is what brokerage do we want to transfer from. And in this case, it's going to be Robinhood. So let's type in Robinhood over here. I already had this pre-filled. Go ahead and click the search button. Now you'll see the firm name down below. Make sure you go ahead and click on Robinhood. Okay, so this is the beginning of everything here, guys. So the brokerage we're transferring from is Robinhood. The account type that we're transferring from, at least me, it was my individual account. Now remember that account number that I told you guys to get before in the video. Make sure you enter that account number here. Let me put mine. Mine is, it's hit the like button. It's very easy. Pretty straightforward too. You just want to make sure to hit the like button, guys. And I want to transfer it to my individual brokerage here. Once everything's filled out over here, let's hit continue. Okay, so step number 2, tell us how much you'd like to transfer to your Robinhood account. Now, everybody's probably pissed at this point, so they want to transfer everything over here. If you guys followed all of the steps and everything I told you, you probably want to move over all your account. So you want to click over here where it says transfer the entire account. If not, then you can click down below where it says only a specific securities or a cash amount. So if you have a specific stock, or if you have a specific amount of money you want to transfer over, you can fill all this information down here. You can look up the stock symbol, and you can go from there. But what we're going to do is go ahead and transfer everything over. Once you click that, you want to hit continue. Now you just want to make sure that your account information adds up. Make sure the account you're transferring from is a Robinhood individual account. My account number is hit the like button. Yours is probably different, right? It's probably going to be some number, so don't enter hit the like button. And I'm transferring it to Charles Schwab, this individual account, and this is the account number right here. So you verified all the account information. Make sure you go ahead and you click yes, hit continue, and this is the last step. So it says this transfer will require further review to determine if the transfer can be processed. Additional documents may be required. So I'm not going to hit this button because this is not really a true transfer for me, but if once you guys are in this step here, all you'll want to do is click submit, transfer. Most of the time everything will go over smoothly. If they need additional information, Charles Schwab will send you communication. That way you will know if you need additional documentation or not. But if you only have the cash amount, transferring should be easy. So what I'm going to do now is jump off my computer. So this was the process, guys. So again, if you don't have that Charles Schwab brokerage account made, make sure that you hit the link down below. That way you can sign up for the app and get up to $500 of free money. Also, let me know, guys, was this video helpful? A lot of people have asked me about this video because I created another video, the reason why I switched over to Charles Schwab, and you guys were asking me this whole time to create this video. I have made it before, but the freaking thing got deleted. So I went ahead. This video takes very long to create. Hopefully you guys realize that and you find some value. And if you do, make sure you go ahead and hit the almighty like button for the almighty algorithm. Guys, I need this thing to work in my favor. Make sure to subscribe if you found value, and also hit the notification bell because you guys will get notified whenever I drop sick videos like these. Guys, it's been great. Till next time.